Let's see. I got my keys. I think. Oh, it's open. Oh, look at this. Turn the light on here. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Ooh, pretty silver refrigerator. Nice new stove and dishwasher and nice big sink. Look at this. Welcome to your new home. We're glad you're here. And oh, isn't this nice? They got some welcome presents. Oh, got some pens and a gift certificate to Rutabaga. Angelo's. Hey, look at that. Oh, and a whole bunch of stuff. Welcome to Monona. And what's in here? Oh, let's see here. So it looks like Cheez-Its and what is that? Is that Skittles? Peanut butter? Something else in there? Interesting combination. That's nice. Got some nice cabinet space here. Nice big normal sized refrigerator. And let's see. Now we go into the exciting part, the bathroom. Oh, a nice fan. Here's the cabinet for the washer and dryer. Ooh, that's a good size. That's a nice size washer and dryer. And well, it's a nice sized closet here. Slightly triangular, but no big deal. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got some nice space. Oh, here we go. My first day in my new apartment. There we go. Nice tub and shower here. There seems to be no wall cabinet, but that's okay. Find spaces to put things. Oh, that's just decorative. And under there, and let's see here, that's the phone for getting people in. And this lovely thing here is apparently what I use for my heating and air conditioning. How do I turn this on? Not sure off the top of my head how to turn those lights on up there. I'll figure that out. Oop. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's one closet. And the other closet. And here we are. A view, a room with a view. That opens nice and quietly. Let's see here. Oops, there we go. Well, with that thing down there, I guess we'll just have to put the toy chest in a little different area. There's overhead light there. And evidently, whoops, what did I just drop here? Oh, my packet. That must be the, I don't know if it's focusing on it, that's, I think, the remote control for this thing. And this, yep. Oh, then you got a little toilet roll holder, toilet paper roll holder. For a relatively small kitchen, it's got some decent counter space. Anyway, well, I gotta take it a little peek around some more, but here it is, home sweet home.